Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock on him, make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work come in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's good, everybody? We about to do a full OEM restore of the 2016 anniversary YZ450F. As y'all can see, the kickstart soggy. Plastics are all soggy, all scraped up and all that. Got the best mechanic on the job. But yeah, we got tires, we got everything. I'll show y'all more, but let me get this box let me get it open. That said, I'm gonna just show y'all what's in the box. Just some basic plastic radiator covers, because these ones are stripped in here. I don't know what the fuck they did. The mechanic who rebuilt my bike gave me a couple missing bolts and stuff, man. And foot guards, bunch of stickers. I think these are for these. But it's the Honda stuff. This is, oh no, I have both. These are the ribbons for here. Trying to get me copyrighted, man. This the bar pad. For that, right there. Bar pad. That's a kill switch. As you can see, man, they get my bike soggy, bro. Like, I'm telling you, I did not have this bike. You can see, like, the lever is cooked. I'm not sure if I got levers or not. I definitely got this, though. They soggied my bike up, man. Can't have nice things out here. Bro, I'm telling you, I left this bike in like almost perfect condition and then came home like this. Damn, man. But shout out to Elijah, you know, he fixed his mistakes. Helped me get this stuff. New throttle grip, as y'all seen, soggy. More stickers. This is the emblem right here. Exhaust tip, as I was saying. I'm not sure if y'all heard me say the lecture. Yeah, just wrong. Freaking, you see it. This joint only got like a little dent. I might try to get that out. I'm not sure if I can, but if I can't, oh well, you know, it's just a little hit. Plastic. Side panel right here. Rear fender. Huh? Niggas just be looking at you when you ride past. I got everything. Y'all see it though, man. Little birthday gift. Oh damn! I forgot this joint. Damn, Daniel. They ain't coming again? I have it, but I don't have it with me. Alright, I've been trying to mess with this. Screw bent inside that joint. We'll figure that out, but right now, changing the tires right now. It's stuck in there. I think it's because of the V-lock. That or that Florida heat. y'all see, man. If everything goes smooth, this one's going with me. I'm gonna try to record a little bit, but I'm gonna try to clean the bike up at the same time. All right, y'all. Got cleaned up. Look at the swing arm, man.
Nah, that joint's still dirty.
Oh, right here, we gotta hit the spring.
It's still dirty. Hold on.
Oh, damn, I got my feet wet. Shit. I just gotta hit right here. And then the spring, and then we should be good after that. And then we'll start throwing everything on. As y'all can see, we're making progress.
Yo, you had to get that shit on there too.
What? Oh, bird?
That shit would got me.
Uh-huh. I think they're gone now.
Nah, they not going like that.
I'm saying they not right here, though.
Oh, they coming right back. Watch what we done with this one. We gonna flip it in the street. Sorry, I'm gonna never. Like on the edge like this, you talking about?
Yeah, it looks like it's right along the edge. Type shit.
Let me see the tape though. Give me the other tape though.
So where to tape it?
It's better than one I got.
I said, who is it for?
Yo creo que ya no lo necesito más. No, yo terminé con él. Era nada más, tú sabes, para algo. No. Nah, but I know what you can do. When you do that, just take that the Jones out. Yeah. I'm gonna say, oh, that's why.
But it's not a lot of YouTube videos that show you how to get the cap off of this thing. So basically, you get a 532 drill bit, 532. And you just drill them out. I'm already catching rivets, as you can see right there. I drilled out a couple already. But make sure y'all get them out too. I still got one on the bottom. We got one off. We gotta get the other side off. Same thing. Really just keep hitting it. You come right off. Look, I got the whole lineup right there. Alright, as y'all can see, this piece came off. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I got the new OEM seat over. I might need to take, yeah, it looks like I gotta take the little thingy out. I don't know, I think that just helps, so I might as well do it. Alright, basically I just pulled this out, as I was saying. It's pretty easy, I just went under it with the thing. And then put this here, like so. And then I'll just make sure it's in there. And then boom, they're drawn in there. You know? Same thing with this one. Let's pick this drawn out. Hopefully I don't rip it, but I don't think it matters too much. Yeah, see? I had it. Thanks, cameraman, camerawoman.
You're welcome.
Boom, y'all see it just comes out. Real simple. And then, boom. You just, you know, same thing. Boom. Boom. Alright, now the actual riveting costs money and stuff. So, any money I could save, that would be cool. Alright, let me grab one of these things right here. Start with one. It goes like that. Probably.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Alright, y'all, I got everything set up. Make sure y'all switch these rivet things though. You gotta make sure it fits snug on these rivets so you see it won't go anywhere. But I'm thinking I'll just tap these rivets now. I think that's all I have to do. So you're just gonna go for it. Come on. There we go. Just like that. Rivet. Secure. I didn't feel it yet. Now it should just snap, just like that. Yeah, that one's good too. I think it says up. Yeah, if you want.
Well, it also has the neck.
Yeah, for the gas.
So clean.
Yeah.
Is
The screws are a little rusty, but it adds character.
That's what we like.
bro. Alright, these John's not the best, as you can see. The bubbling and shit, but hey man, I did it. Been a long time coming, but it's the final result. I'm sick about this sticker. I didn't know how thin like the sticker itself was, but yeah, this John. Just do this real quick. As y'all can see, I put on the new axle blocks too. But this is everything except for these and the seat cover. But I'm happy with the way it came out, you know. This bike was in shambles, so for it to look like this, you know, that's still good. But shout out to everybody who helped my man Lex. Shout out to Eli, helped me get the parts because, you know, he treated this bitch. But as y'all can see, man, look way better. Bright or too dark out for that, but you can see my chain on angles right now because of the axle blocks were different. But I wanted to hurry up before it got slightly darker and get this video. Now the exhaust packing I have to change because there's rivets in the exhaust, and while I get the rivets out of the exhaust, I might as well just repack it. So looking fresh. It's definitely way better for sure. Like I said, the cover I kind of wanted to paint, but you know, not too worried about that. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, man. You see it though. I'm gonna be active on this joint real soon. Now that she look all pretty and shit. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for watching. Like I said, thanks for the help to everybody. And yeah, man, let's just keep making these videos, and I'll see y'all next time.